Hey guys, the Derpy Pug Gamer here, and today we are playing Who's Your Daddy? And apparently Jack, it's just me chicken. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming for me.
I heard an animal shitting. Oh my god, you're bad.
It could have come from me. Hey Jack.
I'm the baby wrangler. Get me?
Oh,
Baby wrangler. I come from the outback. Oh shit, where'd you go?
Steakhouse. Let's just
Came
say.
from the outback. Hey, we have a bird for our pet.
Okay. Oh, how do you
just
jump?
knocked over the fucking lamp.
I will put this. I will. Let's just say.
It's like phasing through walls and shit.
Let's just say vroom vroom is where I am. So you getting any?
Oh,
hints?
you little shit! Get out of the garage. Get out of the garage. Babies are not meant. You are especially not meant. You ate paint.
I didn't eat paint.
Okay, babies should not have. Yeah. I will not let it happen. Yeah, I'm not one. I'm not dead.
I saw you, then I ran. Jack, very stupid. Very stupid.
Okay, I'm going to save up for these. Laggy. I got the
I'm not in there anymore, so I'm in.
Oh. Hey, can I put you to? Can I take cars?
I don't want McDonald's. Oh, what? Back away.
Baby, where'd you go?
Daddy?
Baby, come back!
Dad? Listen here. I don't want to go to preschool today. No preschool for me. I will eat this poop.
Okay, but I'm going to
Hey, don't pick me up. Don't. Home. Oh, I gotta kill myself.
Going to Mars together, okay?
Rather not.
Got that, baby?
Definitely.
Going to Mars. Ow. You're trying to crawl while you're in my hand. Stop trying. Just stop trying.
What?
Oh, your stats. I'm looking at you. You're crawling somewhere else. Where the hell are you, though? You're stuck in my hand right here.
Oh, I'm not in your hand.
I don't know where you are
I'm
now.
in the bathtub.
My God. Right.
Hey, how about you go into the kitchen bathroom? What?
Oh, shit.
No.
Yes!
Dang it. Dang it.
Yes!
Dong, dong.
The baby wrangler. The baby
I should
wrangler.
have stayed in the bathtub.
Yeah, you dumb fuck. YouTube wants to be a bitch until I get more subscribers.
I didn't. Why would I want to get what? I'm not. No. I'll exposed. Exposed. Nah, you can't have a fork laying around.
I have that dildo hat.
Huh?
I have that dildo hat. I want.
Well, guess what? Whoa, that mirror needs to be fixed. Let's just
Hi, Dada.
What?
Get the hell out of here.
I mean,
And I'm gonna hide. So I'm using cheap tactics. To hide so you can't. Cheap tactics. Maybe is agreed to die thing. My hand. Why do my hands look so fucked up though?
where are you?
Like hands.
Are you inside the shed?
I have to hide. Dada. My health bar is like at red. I'm so dead.
Hey, we got a parrot. Hey, guess what? Never mind.
Woo!
All right. Wait, where were you?
Look at I have a top hat on. I'm a classy baby.
I'm a,
Just a dad. You're just a dad. I'm a classy baby. You're just a dad.
I'm the better baby.
Yeah, you're the dildo schwagons.
Yep, definitely. It's definitely my name. You do realize you have to hide the stuff from me, right?
Yeah, 'cause you're a little shit. Like sweet shit. Dada doesn't allow that, but you do it anyway. You're a little fuck.
Okay, then.
Ooh. Grab this. First already. First. Oh, we get a little Doge! Oh wait, no, he's not Doge, he's just a pug. No, not that. That's not pug. See, that's our doggo.
It's a bulldog.
It's doggo. Doggo. Sec. Bring something.
Dad, I'm gonna go to McDonald's, alright?
No, get out of the car, son. I'll take you to McDonald's, okay? Son of a bitch! I said I was gonna take you to McDonald's.
No, I don't want. What achievement unlocked? One last goodbye.
Don't want this.
You're not taking me to McDonald's.
I killed myself.
Son, before you kill
That
yourself,
baby-
go to Daddy's room. I want to give you a present.
You're little. You constantly think. This is like a fact. You constantly think, how can I kill myself today? But you know, your dad or your mom, just fuck up your plans. So that's how you're alive
Son,
today,
I
kids.
want to know
That's
where
how
you
you're alive.
are, because I have a present for you.
Of course, I don't know how my mind thought of that, but it all happens to us for babies. That's the fact, kids. Yeah, you're alive.
Son, I have a present for you.
Your mom and dad actually worked hard enough to be alive. So my mission here is to basically do what fact tell me all the fucking time. Yeah. You're the one that tried picking me up, you little ass.
Could I just hold you the whole time? No. Hey, get inside the washing machine. How do I drop you?
Oh, you didn't drop me. I'm still wandering around. Ah, fuck!
Hey, get inside the washing machine. I
You
want to
little fuck!
Get inside the washing machine.
Fine. I'm gonna go to Mars, Dad. I'm gonna go to Mars.
All right.
Okay, ready? Let's set the G's. The G-force. Let's go. Go to Mars.
Is it water in there?
Go. We're going to Mars.
Is there water? Oh, you're drowning.
Dad, close the door.
What would happen if I put you in the dryer?
Hey, you son of a bitch! I was taking a shower.
Hey, get inside the dryer.
Oh,
No,
Not-
get inside the dryer. I want to see what happens.
not- Oops. I drink paint. A baby that wants to kill himself. Okay, dildos dragons.
Yeah,
Name.
Dad.
Dildos dragons. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna smash some glass. You like smashing glass?
Definitely.
Smash glass.
I'm gonna blast your balls with the ball blaster.
Yo, we got some glass, baby. Come eat some glass. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You're the best dad ever.
That looks tasty.
Let me eat all this foam first. And then. Mm.
You little bitch.
Oh, that's funny.
Right when you died, you just hear the animal taking a shit.
Oh, you're
Anyway,
funny.
we'll do this last round, and I'll have to wrap. Boy, Daddy's love. Daddy's kidding. Explanation. Well, let's play Megalovania.
What would happen if I put? Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, what would happen if I put you in the dishwasher?
Okay, if this were a regular piano, I'd be able to play Megalovania. But as you see, it's not a regular piano. Actually, yeah, this shit ain't regular. Find a way to kill myself.
Wait, I dropped the keys?
Alright, Dad, don't come in here. We're
Where are
having a
you?
little fun. I found one of your magazines.
Whoa, that doesn't,
Found one of your magazines, Dad. I became a man.
son.
But don't come in here, okay? Saying, unless you want to see something a little bad. Oh, fuck you, Dad. Fuck you.
Hey, we don't say those words here.
Yes, we do. Fuck you. You wanna get shanked, bro? You wanna fuck?
I'm gonna
No,
put you
Dad.
inside.
Dad, no.
I'm gonna put you inside the oven.
Dad, no. No, Dad, no. Put
I'm
you
gonna.
through the map, Dad. Dad, why are you doing this to me?
I need to bake you and eat you.
Dad, Dad, stop it. Put me down. Dad. Dad. Dad,
Get in the oven.
Dad, stop being a little bitch.
Get in the
Stop being a little
oven.
bitch.
Get in the oven.
Stop carrying.
Get in the oven.
Stop carrying. Let me. Okay.
Ah, how do I drop you? Oh, what'd I do? Oh no. Okay.
Gotta press E. Gotta press E.
I am pressing E. R. Q. What is this?
Yeah, what are you doing to me? Switching to the world.
Oh, I can't.
Dad, you broke me.
I broke you.
Dad. Dad, this isn't fair. Dad, you're carrying me in some kind of way.
I
that I don't. Fuck! Mom! Can't come home! Can't come home, Mom! I'm not done with my mission. Daddy's carrying me everywhere. Fuck. Like, drag me along, floor. Hey, you're hurting my big face! Dad. Yeah. Fuck, Dad. Let me get the baby car! Baby! Stop, Dad! Stop! Stop me! Stop! No, get me close to the baby wheel! Look at this skin! Fuck!
I can't push you down. Like it doesn't let me. noodle's just spitting.
Oh my fucking god.
What is this? Alright.
Okay,
Thank you
guys,
all.
I have to end it here. Sorry, if you want to see more of this, leave a like, subscribe, comment down what you want to see next. Again, and I'll see you next time. That chicken out.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on my notifications. Derpy Pugs, peace.